Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's one of my favorite days of the month. The Bargain Bead Box came in today, and this month is Stirring Earth, Your Beads. As spring begins, the browns and grays of winter come alive with growing green. This month's collection features rich, earthy tones inspired by nature's treasures. Highlights include ancient Z-style agate, silver leaf jasper, and ocean jasper gemstone beads. Green agate, handmade porcelain, and crystal accents add a pop of color and sparkle, while hammered style bronze findings complete the package. So that sounds interesting. They did send out an email saying that the shipment identification key was incorrect for 7 and 8. So 7 is actually going to be some spacer beads, and 8 is going to be some agate beads. It says approximate total retail value for this shipment is $72. So let's go through. I'll take you through what I've got. 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter textured steel chain, lead free, nickel free. I don't know what's hanging on here, a little thread. Oh, that's nice. I like that it's textured. It's a good chain. I love some chain. I have a ton of chain right now, so I need to work through some chain. Maybe that'll be a challenge I do for myself. 2, we have nickel-free brass leatherback earring findings. Okay, so we all know that one of my issues with this box is including findings like this as an item. I don't think that should be in a bead box as an item. And I'll tell you something else that's coming up I'm not too jazzed about. I don't use leatherbacks because I think sometimes they can be very frustrating to get into the ear. Just from my own personal experience. I do think they look really nice on vintage inspired pieces, so I'll use them once in a while, but I don't think that should be a component in a bead box. Like, that's enough on that. 3, we have 8-piece 15 millimeter hammered style links, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Cute little rings. I like these. Very nice. I always do the bend test. They're very strong. I like those. I'll definitely be using those. 4 millimeter crystal bicone beads, peach shimmer. Probably have about 10 strands of those by now in that color from them. 5, we have 6-piece 15 by 6 millimeter curved hammer style double strand links. That's a lot. Lead and cadmium free. These are cool. I like those. A lot of different ways you can use these. Those are neat. I will definitely use those. Number 6, 2 sets of 31 millimeter double strand toggle clasps, lead, nickel, cadmium free. That's cool. It's double strand. I don't know that I have any double strand toggles, and I really love these. Like, these are all things that are going to go really well together and really well with a lot of my beads, my African beads, my Indian beads, my more ethnic tribal things. Perfect. Like, these things are going to go really well together. Number 7 are the spacer beads. It's wrong on the identification key, but they, like I said, they sent out that email. Just like everything else, these are really nice together. Like, they did a good job curating these metal pieces to go together. Number 8 was the agate. It's a really pretty green. So this is 6 millimeter. I like these a lot. They're gorgeous. Sometimes agate, when you dye it, it can be either washed out or just not look right. These are very vibrant, and I like the mix of the white in there. It's not just like clear. We've got clear white and green. I really like these. They look very nice. So I received, and that was a big sigh, 2 number 9. They're, I don't like this. 10 grams. 20 millimeter, 22 gauge steel eye pins, lead, nickel, cadmium free. I don't know why. Why? This is not a bead. It's not, there's even like the husks that they use to pack these in here. There's a random jump ring. Like, this is just filler to me. I don't think it's a good idea for a bead box. Like if you have a component kit on top of the beads, fine. But as an item, number 10, 20-piece strand, 8x7mm matte stripe crystal bicone beads, slate shimmer. These are really pretty, and I haven't seen this shape before. If they have some of these left over, I will buy them from their shop because they're just gorgeous. I love that. Really, really pretty. I do really love the earthiness of this kit. I really do. I don't want you to misunderstand me there. Like, the beads are nice. So number 11, we have a 2-piece 13x11mm Z style agate barrel bead, dyed and heat treated. Very nice. Goes really well with the rest of the box. Number 12, 2-piece 32x26mm hammered style round pendant, lead nickel cadmium free. Very nice. This is a very metal heavy box, but I am seeing some pretty beads coming up. These are pretty. If you don't like antique brass, you're not going to like this box, but I do like antique brass. I'm really into it right now, so I'm happy. Number 13, 4 pieces, approximately 15x8mm handmade porcelain oval beads, antique green. They're pretty. 14, 2-piece 28x30mm Z style agate focal beads, heat treated and dyed. These are really pretty. I like that they're not the same, so I can make 2 bracelets and have them be slightly different, or even include them in a necklace, but they're different. I like them. They're very pretty. 15 is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 8mm silver leaf jasper gemstone beads. I don't know if I have any silver leaf jasper. I don't even know if I've ever heard of silver leaf jasper before. If I do have some, I am maybe one strand that somebody sent me. Very pretty. I like the red with the gray and the beige. Very pretty. I think the gemstones and the agates, I feel like the stone beads are making up for some of the other issues in the box. So far, I'm liking the box. That was 15. 16, 7-inch strand, 10mm ocean jasper gemstone beads. This is interesting because this doesn't look like ocean jasper to me. Like, this one kind of looks like ocean jasper. Like, that one almost looks like larvicite. I'm sorry if you hear like farm sounds in the background. My mom's here and she's watching YouTube and she likes watching lambs. So, yeah, I guess it could be ocean jasper. Number 17, we have approximately 7-inch strands, 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads, cappuccino shimmer. Those are pretty. 18-piece 6x4mm crystal faceted oval beads, multi-green shimmer. These are really pretty. Like, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but they're really, really pretty. Tiny. And number 19, 10-piece strand, 11x8mm faceted glass barrel beads, forest green. These are gorgeous. I don't think I have anything that color. Those are really pretty. I like the box. Really the only issue I had were number 2 and number 9, and but otherwise I think we had a really nice box. I know some people don't really like a metal heavy box, and I get it, but look, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gemstones, so that's pretty great. We got glass. I mean, these are kind of just the bicones that we always get, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands or 5 packets of glass. We got some ceramic beads and then the metal. So I think this was a really good kit. They could have left these out and I wouldn't have known the difference. So I like it. I think, it's right up my alley with the brass and the stone and the Z beads. So I I'm happy. I'm happy with this month. Good job, Bargain Bead Box. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Hopefully I'll get something made with this month, but you know me, I either don't have time to edit the video or don't film what I make. So stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hello. right in the face. Hi, buddy. Say hi. Oh my gosh, she's so cute.